What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we're gonna do something a little DIY today, man. You know what I mean? I've been wanting to do this mod for a long time, like way before I even painted the car. And today we're gonna try to make a drag wing for the S13 out of scratch, right? So we pretty much got some sheet metal from Home Depot. You know what I'm saying? We got my girl, cause she's crafty and she can draw and trace some shit out. And we're gonna try to make this drag wing, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're just gonna wing it, man. I ain't never did this before. I looked on the internet. There's not too many videos about it. You feel me? So hopefully by me making this video and... Well, let me take this back. There's not too many about it on the S13 Coupe or hatch, period. Like, I know you can buy some that's like fiberglass and shit like that, but I just like the polished look or whatever, the metal look. You know what I mean? I might paint it. I don't know, but... yeah, so this may be the first video ever on YouTube. Right now, we're just gonna brainstorm and map it out, and I'm gonna get back at you guys when I have a plan. All right, guys, we're somewhat done, but it's getting dark and late. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how it's gonna look, man, but so far so good. I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's daylight.
Next day.
All right, guys, so we finished it. Took us a little while, but this is how it looks. The finishing product. You know what I'm saying? It sags a little bit in the middle because I got to get the strut rods, you know what I'm saying, to hold it, keep it in place, but it don't look bad, man. You know what I'm saying? The cuts aren't super perfect, but for a DIY, man, it ain't bad at all. You dig? Just want to show y'all that real quick. Don't look too bad, man. Now keep in mind, bro, I made all my cuts with an angle grinder. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like I said, so it's not perfect, but I made all the cuts with an angle grinder. You know what I'm saying? Where is that? I'm gonna show y'all. You know what I'm saying? I use this angle grinder right here. You know what I'm saying? I made all my cuts with that angle grinder. You feel me? And I don't think I did that bad, man. It don't look, like I said, I keep saying, it's not perfect, but it don't look fucking bad, honestly. Now I can go through and get like a, what do you call it, a flat disc or whatever, the stuff with the sandpaper, and smooth the edges off because this shit is sharp. You know what I'm saying? I could clean this stuff up, like the edges, like, you know what I'm saying? Now I want to go through the whole car and put riv nuts, take these soft tempers out and do riv nuts. I did have to overlap it right here, only because at Home Depot they didn't have the long enough sheet metal. But like, you know what I'm saying? This cut ain't, you know what I'm saying? It's a little wavy, but that's character right there. That's just character right there, you know what I'm saying? But it looks fucking good, bro. This is exactly how I visualize it, like just like that. My girlfriend in the back. Shout out to my girlfriend, man, because she helped me do the measurements. Without her, I probably wouldn't be able to do this. I'll be all over the place. You know what I'm saying? But it looks fucking good, bro. No cap. But one thing I want to, the number one advice I want to give you guys, if you ever choose to do this, is to measure. Make sure your measurements are on point. I swear I went back like at least 20 plus times, cut it, went back, cut. I always had to like cut a lot just because I didn't do the measurements right the first time. And it wasn't, the trunk wasn't shutting, you know what I'm saying? So I had to close it, see what's hitting, cut it. So make sure everything has clearance, you measure it good. You know what they say, measure once, or measure twice, cut once, or measure 10 times and cut once. Make sure you have to make that cut one time. You know what I'm saying? It's okay if you have to make it a couple times, but I'm telling me, like yesterday, I was out until like, what, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock? Because I wanted to get it done, but it's just like, damn. Then after a while, like, I couldn't see, so I couldn't see what was hitting and shit like that, so I just called it quits. And then, you know, today is daylight, we could actually see. But I encourage you guys, if you want to do this, measure it. Now, some of you out there may have like a machine or actual shop that can like plasma cut it perfectly. And if you do, yeah, that's a plus. But knowing me, I'm doing this shit out of my garage, bro. And yeah, I had to measure a lot, but make sure you measure multiple times before you cut. Make that one cut, make it work, boom. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all guys one last time, bro. I'm about to do a cinematic thing because I've been working on it low key, and I think I'm kind of like mastering it. So let's get the cinematic shit going. Saying that's gonna be it for this video, man. Look, check this out. If you want more in depth on how I made that drag wing for the S13 Coupe, let me know down in the comments, man. You know what I'm saying? Because it was my first time, honestly, and I was just kind of like more focused. You feel me? And I was messing up a lot. You feel me? Like you can tell that there was some error in the wing and shit like that. Definitely, I would advise you to make templates, man. You know what I'm saying? Get you a cardboard box. Draw out the triangles, you know what I'm saying? Just draw anything. It depends on how you're going to make the wings or whatever. Just draw it out first, man. Measure it. And then, like I said before, measure twice, cut once, or you feel me? But, yeah, it looks good, man. I like it, man. Hopefully you guys fuck with it, man. And hopefully I can help somebody out there that always wanted to do this mod to your car too, but just didn't know how to do it or just wasn't confident enough to do it, you feel me? Hopefully I help you build your confidence to do it. Now this is, I guess you could just call this version 1 because I'm most likely or probably going to take it to my buddy's shop to where he has like a nice plasma cutter or whatever you want to call that thing, to where you literally just type in the measurements on the computer and it cuts it like perfectly. And then, you know, just to redo it now that I have it pretty much mocked up, or I might just rock it like that. I don't know, but we'll see. But as of right now, bro, we just gonna rock it like that. But maybe later on down the line, I'm gonna fix it up and have a version 2 and, you know, have that shit like looking A1, man. You know what I'm saying? If you stuck all the way through the end of this video, man, I appreciate you, man. See you guys in the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Peace.